2013 Volkswagen Polo 1.2 match, and this one is a category S for the insurance company, and it has 26,000 miles from new on the clock, which is great. The damage is around there, but I'll show you this side first. So a few bits on the bonnet that needs to be done. I don't know if something's dropped on it and the lack is peeling off, but that's going to have to be sorted. On the front, all nice. Stuff there, but that will definitely polish off. Nice and straight down this side. I'll show you the inside where we're here. So it's got electric windows, electric mirrors. It's got a phone kit, it's got a DAB radio, it's got aircon and a few extras. It's pretty decent and it's nice and clean. And there's the headlight that's actually bust, but we bought a new one from the other side. So down this side, nice and straight and clean. And the back is good. It's got some parking sensors. There's marks there, but they'll be just touched up. Oh, there's just bits of dirt there. You go. That will polish, that will be touched up. And the top is good. And down the side, nice and straight, no bends and creases and weird bits. But this is the bit that's had the accident. So we've put a new shocker in. Actually, only the shocker was bent. We've just put a whole complete leg in, and the tie rod was bent as well. So that's had a new there. The headlight will go in there. The alloy will go back on, which is in the back. But you can actually see this is a structural car, but there's no damage to it at all. This is what it looks like underneath. So you bolt off a wing, which we bought, and we've got one in white as well, so it'll just slip on straight away. That is it. There is no damage behind there. Not even down there where the headlight is, which is great. So, 2013, 26,000 miles. It's a match, so it's got nice bits. It's in white, the right colour. So I'm guessing if they book at 6.5. You might see them a bit more if they're white as well. I'm guessing this one should be 4,995, and it will be no different than any other when that's done.